Hi friends, I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hold a master's degree in engineering, teaching AI and ML in tech companies. This video will give you valuable information about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and his investments, and I am sure you will learn a lot and get inspired by his investments. Please stick on till the end to maximize your value. Nature took away India's very own billionaire investor and philanthropist Rakesh Jhunjhunwala last week. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was born on 5th July 1960 in Hyderabad. Prompted by his father Radhesham Jhunjhunwala, Rakesh started to dabble in stocks even while in college. Rakesh was a chartered accountant by profession. For people who would be wondering where the Jhunjhunwala name comes from, Jhunjhunu is the city and the capital of a district by the same name Jhunjhunu in the state of Rajasthan. Now let's go in and learn about his investment path and get inspired. Let's dive in straight away. Jhunjhunwala entered the stock market in 1985 with just rupees 5,000 when Sensex was hovering around 300 points. Would you believe? As of today, 21st August 2022, Sensex trades at a whopping 59,600 points. The journey, which began with rupees 5,000, has grown to become $5.8 billion wealth, according to Forbes data. His first big profit came from the 5,000 shares of Tata Tea, which he bought in 1986. Tata Tea was one of his initial success stories. In the late 1980s, Rakesh trusted and put a bet on iron ore exporter Sisa Goa, and this brought him his initial crores. He bought the stock at 25 to 26 rupees, holding on to it till it reached 2,200 points. That's the key. You have to hold on to stocks which you trust over a period of time to taste success. His investment in Tata Power also gave good returns then. Many of the Tata companies he bought gave handsome dividends. He was one of the first to invest in Titan. He initially purchased the watch and jewelry maker's shares in 2002. He put a bet that Tatas would do well in watches and the jewelry because by that time the HMT watches, which was a public sector, was not doing so well. So it was time that Titan moved up the ladder. His biggest shareholding at the time of death was Titan, which amounts to over rupees 11,000 crores or 1/3 of the total portfolio value. Jhunjhunwala ran a privately owned stock trading firm called Rare Enterprises. He had a portfolio of 32 stocks, and the companies which he invested include Titan, Chrysler, Aurobindo Pharma, Praj Industries, NCC, Aptech Limited, Ion Exchange, MCX, Fortis Healthcare, Lupin, Rallis India, and Jubilant Life Sciences, to name some. Jhunjhunwala's early bets on Star Health and Allied Insurance also paid off handsomely when those companies got listed in 2021. Rakesh tends to lean for stocks in pharma, finance, retail, and tech sectors. Going by the latest corporate shareholdings filed, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Associates publicly holds 32 stocks with a net worth of over rupees 31,000 crores. Rakesh put his biggest bet recently in Akasa Airlines, where he bought a 40% stake, which many analysts believe as an excellent buy. Jhunjhunwala has been described as India's own Warren Buffett, and his investments are closely tracked by the media. When he was compared to Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was totally humble enough to say, "It's not a fitting comparison at all. In terms of wealth, success, and maturity, he is far, far ahead." Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's life tells us it's desirable and even necessary to pursue fearlessly what you want to do in life and also be consistent to taste success. Leave a like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.